how to create a DJI Go account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll guide you through on how we can create a DJI Go account. So let's go into the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to go ahead and create the DJI account, you're just going to head over to one of the browser, or you may just directly go to google.com and you're going to type in create DJI account here on the search bar of that particular browser. I'm just going to type in create a DJI Go account. You may also type the same thing and wait for the page to be loaded up, where you'll be finding an option of create a DJI Go account. So you can find this option called here, register for our DJI account. You may just head over to one of the links here. All of them are something. I'm just going to go on with the process of this one, the second link, which is in English. So I'm just going to go to that and wait for the screen to be loaded up here. After the screen is loaded up, you can find different kind of options here. So you can find this option called create a DJI account if you're a new user. So simply click on that option, and here, in order to create a DJI account, you're gonna go ahead and enter your email address, password, confirm your new password. After that, you need to verify yourself that you're not a robot and agree to the terms and conditions and tap and submit, and you'll be logged in and your account will be created just like that. Maybe you need to enter a 6-digit code that you will be receiving on your email address after verifying yourself. So just go on with the process and your account should be created. So that's how you create your own DJI account following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.